honey pumpkin pie is my new favorite fall recipe. The texture is just right, and I think you're gonna love it. For the filling, we'll start with 1/2 cup packed brown sugar, 2 heaping tablespoons of flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 2½ teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. If you'd like to know how to make your own blend of pumpkin pie spice, I'll include a recipe at the end of the video. Stir together the dry ingredients and then add 14 ounces of pumpkin puree. You can roast and puree your own little sugar pumpkins, or feel free to use canned pumpkin. Next, add 1/2 cup of honey. I really love the rich, dark flavor of organic raw honey, but any honey you have on hand would work well for this recipe. Whisk together well, make sure everything is combined before we add the next couple of ingredients. Next, we'll add 2 whole eggs and 1 extra egg yolk. Lightly beat the eggs before you add them to the filling. The extra egg yolk will add a silky texture to the pie. If you love baking, this is a good time to subscribe to my channel. Also, I'm taking recipe requests. If there's a special recipe you're looking for, just let me know in the comments below. I'll leave links in the description for all the pies you see here. And for the last ingredient, 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. Stir together well until everything is combined. I'm filming pumpkin bread next, and also pumpkin pie bars to add to my fall baking playlist. Once everything is all mixed together, pour into a standard-sized unbaked pie shell. If you're looking for a good pie crust recipe, I have 2 listed below. An old-fashioned pie crust recipe using shortening, and the second one, an all-butter pie crust made with buttermilk. Tap the pie plate a couple of times to release any bubbles inside the filling. Bake in a preheated 425-degree oven for 15 minutes, then reduce to 350 and bake an additional hour. You may need to add a foil pie crust shield around the crust halfway through baking to prevent over-browning. All ovens are different, so baking times can vary. Insert a sharp knife in the middle of the pie to check to see if it's done. If it comes out clean, it's all finished baking. Allow the pie to cool completely before serving. I'll also include a link to my favorite homemade whipped topping. This recipe makes a really pretty slice. It's glossy and sharp on the edges and has the perfect silky texture. Top with a big dollop of whipped cream and a little extra pumpkin pie spice. I think I'll go ahead and try a bite right now. If you try my recipe, please let me know what you think in the comments below. Check out the nice golden bottom crust. And this is my blend for pumpkin pie spice. Be sure to check out all of my fall baking recipes. Visit my website at doublestopbakeshop.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.